Good morning, everyone. Thank you for learning with me today. Today's lesson is going to be on different types of feelings. Hopefully, you will identify some new feelings you haven't learned about yet, and hopefully you can identify how we express feelings by what our face does, by what our mouths do, what our eyes are doing. If our body is tight, our body is open. I'm going to share a story with you. It's one of my favorite stories. It's called The Way I Feel. Hope you enjoy it.
Silly. Silly is the way I feel when I make a funny face and wear a goofy poofy hat that takes up lots of space. Scared. I'm shaking because I'm scared, all alone in the dark at night. The thunder and lightning crash and roar. Hold me close and turn on the lights. Disappointed. The plans were made so long ago for you to visit me today, but now you can't come after all. I'm disappointed we can't play. Happy. The smile you see upon my face as the sun shines in the sky shows the world that I feel happy and my mood is soaring high. Sad. Sometimes I feel so very sad and really don't know why. Instead of playing and having fun, I cry and cry and cry. Angry. Angry is how I feel right now. I shout with a mighty roar. I mostly want to frown and growl and stomp upon the floor. Thankful. The wheel fell off my brand new truck. I needed some help from you. You kindly fixed my favorite toy. I'm thankful for all you do. Frustrated. I'm frustrated because I can't do it. It's hard and I want to cry. I don't know whether to give it up or to give it another try. Shy. If someone says hello to me, I suddenly feel so shy. Instead of waving back at them, I hide my face and walk on by. Bored. I can't make up my mind. There's nothing I want to do. The day drags on and on. I'm feeling bored and blue. Excited! I'm bouncing like a rubber ball. I'm more excited than I can say. It's really hard for me to sit when I'd rather jump and play. Jealous. I want to play with you right now. I don't think taking turns is fair. I'd rather have you to myself. I'm jealous when I have to share. Proud. I did it, I shout to the crowd. Getting dressed by myself makes me feel proud. Feelings come and feelings go. I never know what they'll be. Silly or angry, happy or sad. They're all a part of me.
So if you looked at the faces of the drawings of the people in the video, something I noticed is when somebody's feeling happy or excited, they usually get a smile, their body is open, they're excited, their eyes are wide. But sometimes when we feel frustrated or angry or jealous, the little girl's arms are crossed, her eyebrows kind of went down, and her body was really tight. What else did you notice? On this video that you on the Padlet that you access this video, there's a couple other activities that you can choose to do. One of them is to draw out some faces, and you can draw how the people are feeling. I think I wrote happy, sad, angry, but you can do any feeling you want. There's also a Storybots video that is another video on different types of feelings. It has a bunch of robots, one of my favorites too. You can play charades with a family member or play Guess the Feelings. And then there's a game on there that's about guessing people's feelings. I hope you have a great day. I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Have a grace.